Howdy folks, and welcome back to another Ugly Dog Challenge. Tonight we'll be doing the Terry Challenge. Well, Mr. Terry, one color. Pink tourmaline, color shift white. What am I going to do with that? Well, the redneck has a plan. The old ugly dog has figured it out. So what I'm going to do, folks, is an albino craw. That is my plan. I didn't know what else to do with pink. So let's just jump right on in here and get our paint mixed and just jump to it. Pink tourmaline. That is some pink paint. Let's just make it happen. Well, how's everybody out there in the world's heart beating today? We're doing real good around here. It's been a good season for us. So it's been a great season. We're officially going to start season 2. I'll have to ask the boss when that all happens, but we all got through season 1 together, folks, and that's a good thing. So very nice. Look how pink that is. Woo! If that's what the man chose, that's what I'm going to do for him. Let's get that dude laid up there. And we'll pour us up a little bit of pink tourmaline. Don't need much. That's going to be some bright paint, and he wanted disco glitter in it. So we're just going to make all that happen for him. Leastways, that's what the boss lady told me. Cool.
Woo,
It's going to be our albino craw. Let me clean that stencil off right quick while that's just sitting there drying for a minute. That's going to be pretty. So we'll see, folks, even the feeblest of minds can come up with something every once in a while. So, now let's heat set that pink boy. Let's move on to our other side. Get back over there, stick. There's our other side of our craw. Done and done. Now let's get rid of this pink paint, shall we? Well, this is the Terry Challenge, so appreciate you giving me a challenge there, big guy. I'm just knocking everything over today. Idfishit, I can tell you that right now. Don't even have to look no deeper. Do a good cleaning on our airbrush, because it's about done for the day. So that video will be coming out here before too long, how to clean your airbrush. So y'all be looking for that. Okay. I broke that out here so I could wipe that off. Now every once in a while, folks, I'll just get me a big pan out here, and I'll take all these stencils and use a fingernail polish remover, and I clean them all up real good with the toothbrush, scrub them, fingernail polish remover. We'll do a video on that too. So let's heat set this pink boy. Okay folks, we got it all dried up. Now we're going to put some eyes on them. I know exactly what eyes I'm putting on this without even thinking about it. As soon as I find them, I'll get them. Yeah. What you do with all my eyes, Melissa?
I hid them.
You hid them. There they are. Right there. Well, this is our challenge sent in to us by Terry. It's I made it into an albino craw, so we're going to put pink eyes on it too. There's one eye. What do you think about that there, woman?
Oh, I like the pink eyes.
Yeah. So it's an albino craw. Now let's get some epoxy mixed up. Be 1 and 1 on the 1.5 square bill, folks. So let's just jump out here and do it. Man, exactly 1 cc there. There we go, 1 and 1. We're going to put a little bit of this disco glitter in it, just to give it a little bit of flavor. Epoxy mixed up real good. Come here, Bob, give me a brush. Okay, here we go, folks. This is our albino craw. Be sure to get down around that nose good. Got a hair there trying to turn loose. We don't want him in our bait either. But we're going to fix that right quick like and in a hurry. There you go. Albino craw. Ugly dog style. So I appreciate you sending in the challenge. We're going to get this one all hooked up and set up to dry. When it gets good and dry, we'll hook it up and we'll come back and finish. You folks have a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.